On July 30 this year, NASA launched Mars 2020 Perseverance rover mission to Red Planet Mars at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. The mission is for at least one Martian year, that is 687 Earth days. It is carrying a rover named Perseverance, which will collect rock and solid samples of ancient life on Martian surface for possible future return to Earth. It will land on Jezero crater on February 18, 2021. More than 3.5 billion years ago, river channels spilled over these crater walls and created a lake. The water of the rivers carried clay minerals from the surrounding area into this crater lake, which makes scientists hopeful of getting past microbial lives on Mars. Mars 2020 Perseverance rover is equipped with so many advanced components like Mastcam-Z. It is an advanced camera system with panoramic and stereoscopic imaging capability with an ability to zoom in. It will also look for the minerals present on the Martian surface. To analyze the Martian weather thoroughly, it has MEDA, Mars Environment Dynamics Analyzer, which is a set of sensors that will measure temperature, wind speed and direction, pressure, relative humidity, and dust size and shape. Mars Oxygen ISRO experiment or MOXIE has the exploration technology that will produce oxygen from carbon dioxide, which is to ensure the human habitats in future. The rover contains hardware pixel, planetary instrument for X-ray lithochemistry. Lithochemistry is the study of composition, structure, properties and relations of stone and minerals. To investigate what is beneath the soil, a ground penetrating radar that will provide centimeter scale resolution of the geologic structure of the subsurface is attached to the rover. It is called RIMFAX, the radar imager for Mars subsurface experiment. A supercam is mounted on the head of the rover's long-necked mast. This supercam will examine rocks and soils with a camera, laser and spectrometer to find organic compounds that could be related to past life on Mars. It can identify the chemicals and mineral makeup of targets as small as a pencil tip from a distance of more than 7 meters. Perseverance is equipped with an automatic helicopter called Ingenuity. It is the first aircraft to attempt controlled flight on another planet. It does not require any human interception. This name was suggested by a high school teen, Vanessa Rupani. Ingenuity is actually a technology demonstration which will test a new capability for the first time with limited scope. Mars 2020 mission team has installed a 3x5 inches aluminum plate to the rover to commemorate the COVID-19 pandemic and to show honor to the healthcare professionals all over the world, and they call it COVID-19 Perseverance Plate. According to Deputy Project Manager Matt Wallace, the rover is healthy and on its way to Mars. It is also receiving and sending commands from and to the spacecraft. Its science wishes Mars 2020 and Perseverance all the best.